Hello everyone. Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about the types of computers. Today, we are going on a very interesting journey. The history of computers. How did computers start? Who invented them? Let's find out. Before computers, the abacus. The story of computers starts thousands of years ago, long before electricity even existed. The very first calculating tool was the abacus, invented around 2400 BC in Babylon, modern-day Iraq. It was a wooden frame with beads on rods. People used it to count and calculate numbers. Simple example. Think of an abacus like a very basic calculator. You move beads left and right to add and subtract numbers. Even today, kids in some countries use abacus to learn mathematics. 1600s, mechanical calculators. 1642, Blaise Pascal. A French mathematician named Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of just 18 years old. It was called the Pascaline. It could only add and subtract numbers using gears and wheels. 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, Germany. A German mathematician named Leibniz improved Pascal's machine and created a calculator that could also multiply and divide. Simple example. These machines were like the first basic calculators, but they were as big as a box and made of metal gears, not electronic chips. 1800s, the father of computers. 1822, Charles Babbage. A British mathematician named Charles Babbage designed a machine called the difference engine in 1822, a mechanical machine that could calculate mathematical tables automatically. Later in 1837, he designed an even more advanced machine called the analytical engine. This machine had input, you could give it instructions using punch cards; memory, it could store numbers; processor, it could perform calculations; output, it could print results. This is exactly how modern computers work. That is why Charles Babbage is called the father of computers. Simple example. Babbage's analytical engine was like a blueprint for every computer you use today. He imagined it 200 years ago, but the technology of his time was not advanced enough to build it fully. 1843, Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace, a British mathematician, wrote the very first computer program, instructions for Babbage's analytical engine. That is why she is called the first programmer in history and the mother of programming. 1900s, electronic computers begin. 1936, Alan Turing. British mathematician Alan Turing introduced the idea of a machine that could solve any mathematical problem using instructions. This concept is called the Turing machine, and it became the foundation of modern computer science. Alan Turing is called the father of computer science. 1943 to 1945, ENIAC, first electronic computer. The first general-purpose electronic computer was called ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was built in 1945 at the University of Pennsylvania, USA, by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. Facts about ENIAC. It weighed 30 tons, as heavy as 5 elephants. It was 24 meters long as a bus. It used 18,000 vacuum tubes to process data. It could perform 5,000 additions per second. It consumed as much electricity as a small town. Simple example. ENIAC was the size of an entire room, but it was less powerful than the basic calculator app on your phone today. Generations of computers. Computer history is divided into 5 generations. First generation, 1940 to 1956. Vacuum tubes. Used vacuum tubes for processing. Very large in size, very expensive. Generated a lot of heat. Example, ENIAC, UNIVAC. Second generation, 1956 to 1963. Transistors. Vacuum tubes replaced by transistors. Smaller, faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Less heat generated. Example, IBM 1401. Third generation, 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuits. Transistors replaced by integrated circuits, IC chips. Even smaller and faster. Multiple transistors on one small chip. Example, IBM 360. Fourth generation, 1971 to present. Microprocessors. Entire CPU placed on a single chip. Microprocessor. Personal computers became available for everyone. Example, Intel processors. Your laptop and desktop today. 1971. Intel launched the world's first microprocessor called Intel 4004. 1976. Apple I was created by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. 1981. IBM launched its first personal computer, PC. 1985. Microsoft Windows 1.0 was released. Fifth generation, present and future, artificial intelligence. Computers that can think and learn like humans. Voice recognition, face recognition, AI assistants. Example, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, ChatGPT. Simple example. Computers went from the size of a room in 1945 to fitting in your pocket by 27 when Apple launched the first iPhone. That is how fast technology improved in just 60 years. So, now you know the amazing journey of computers. From a simple abacus 4,000 years ago to the powerful smartphones and AI computers we have today. In our next video, we will learn about computer hardware. What are the parts of a computer? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.